generation against the new generation. Rossi on tail now of Marquez. They race down the straight, over the start and finish line. Here comes Valentino Rossi.
The doctor is coming through and he goes up into second place. Can he make it stick? He has.
Classic riding by the doctor. He is back.
Here comes Rossi and Marquez going for the outside line now. Down into turn one. Rossi surely will fight back on the brakes. Marquez is brave and hangs it in on the outside. And Marquez is back. Oh, he's been taught a lesson but served it straight back. No.
It's the older generation against the new generation. Rossi again alongside up into turn four. Rossi back into second.